Hello and welcome back to our channel, The Running Bulls. I'm your friend trader, Dativ Shakti. Let's see tomorrow's expiry day special, how can market unfolds and how it can unravel in the day. So, for example, let's start with the today's date. This is Zerodha 10 minutes chart. Today we have a clear view that if it goes below this 17,225 will short it. It goes well, unravels, market plays a game with us. So for example, if we see, so 17,225 it went down, I traded, got a stop loss around 17,050. Again it went down, again I traded, again it played again. So first, second, third, and again third. So both the side it has taken a good three times upper resistance and lower three times lower resistance, lower support. So tomorrow if we see is that, so this will not be a good resistance on the upper side and this will not be a good support on the lower side. So what we have to do, we have to wait, simple as that. So today's video will be a short and simple. I'll let you know how is that. So for the nifty, if it breaks the above range 17,350, that will be the above range. Sorry for that. 17,350, that will be the upper range. You can go aggressive. There will be aggressive call shorting, call unwinding, call whatever you can say. There will be aggressive everything. So if it goes above 17,350, you can say that. And if it goes 17,200 mark, so that will be a good opportunity to go short. So whatever happens, you have to wait. Tomorrow is a wait and watch. You have to wait this level, wait for this level, wait unless and until it don't breaks. Don't do anything, don't take any trade, wait for it. Simple in bank nifty, simple as that. You have the upper range one, let me mark it for you, the brush. So one second, thrice, four times, simple as that. One, two, three, and it ended at the lower level four times. So if I want to shift the lower support to this level, it won't be a wrong thing. Only you have to do is wait and watch. Let the market decide what they have to do. Once the market is decided that it will be going long, then you can take a bearish. It will be going along, bullish view, going a lower side, bearish view. Simple as that. I already told you in the video how to trade it. Trade only in options, option selling. Option selling is the best part. So, friends, traders, if you like my video, don't forget to subscribe and like and share the video. That's all. That's all for the day. I'll be live tomorrow. Don't forget to join my live session. Thank you and have a nice day.